Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic: love in relationships and why it's not enough. We often hear that love is all you need to make a relationship work. But the truth is, love alone cannot sustain a healthy and fulfilling partnership. In fact, many relationships fail despite the presence of love. So, what else is needed to make a relationship successful? The answer lies in other crucial elements such as communication, trust, respect, understanding, and compatibility. 1. Communication. Good communication is the key to building a strong foundation of trust, intimacy, and understanding. It means being able to express your thoughts and feelings in an honest and clear way, while also actively listening to your partner's perspective. But communication isn't just about words. It also involves nonverbal cues like body language, tone of voice, and facial expressions. Paying attention to these cues can help deepen your connection with your partner and improve your overall communication. Another important aspect of communication is being able to express your needs and boundaries. This helps prevent misunderstandings and conflicts, and ensures that both partners feel respected and valued. But, as we all know, communication can be hard. It's not always easy to express ourselves, and it can be tough to listen to what our partner is saying when we're feeling upset or frustrated. That's why it's important to practice regularly and consistently, making time to talk through important issues and check in with each other. In the end, good communication takes effort, but it's worth it. By working on your communication skills, you can build a stronger, healthier, and more fulfilling relationship with your partner. 2. Trust. At its core, trust means feeling safe and secure with your partner. It means knowing that they have your best interests at heart, and that they won't betray your trust or break your heart. Building trust involves being reliable, consistent, and honest. It means keeping your promises, being accountable for your actions, and being transparent about your thoughts and feelings. It also means respecting your partner's boundaries and privacy, and being trustworthy even when they're not around. Of course, trust can be fragile, and it can be difficult to regain once it's been broken. That's why it's important to communicate openly and honestly with your partner, and to work through any issues that arise in a respectful and constructive way. Ultimately, trust is the foundation of any successful relationship. By prioritizing honesty, reliability, and consistency, you can build a strong and lasting connection with your partner based on mutual respect and trust. 3. Respect. Respect means treating your partner as an equal, and valuing their thoughts, feelings, and opinions. It means listening to them, taking their concerns seriously, and making an effort to understand their perspective. Respect also involves setting boundaries and being mindful of your partner's needs. It means avoiding behaviors that make your partner feel uncomfortable, disrespected, or devalued, and being willing to compromise when necessary. At the same time, it's important to remember that respect is a two-way street. It's not just about how you treat your partner, but also about how they treat you. Both partners in a relationship should feel respected and valued, and should work together to create a relationship that is based on mutual respect and support. Ultimately, respect is a critical component of any healthy and successful relationship. By treating your partner with respect and valuing their thoughts and feelings, you can build a strong foundation of trust, love, and mutual support that can help your relationship thrive. 4. Understanding. When you understand your partner, you can build a deeper connection and create a more meaningful relationship. It means being able to support them through tough times, celebrate their victories, and work together to achieve your shared goals. To cultivate understanding in a relationship, it's important to communicate openly and honestly. This means expressing your thoughts and feelings clearly, while also actively listening to your partner's perspective. It means being patient and non-judgmental, and giving your partner the space and support they need to grow and thrive. At the same time, it's important to remember that understanding is a two-way street. Both partners in a relationship need to be willing to listen to each other, and to put in the effort to understand each other's needs and perspectives. Ultimately, understanding is a critical element for building a healthy and successful relationship. By practicing empathy, patience, and open communication, you can create a deep and meaningful connection with your partner that will stand the test of time. 5. Compatibility. Compatibility involves sharing similar values, interests, and goals. It means having a similar vision for the future and being on the same page about what you want out of life. It also means being able to communicate effectively and support each other through both good times and bad. Of course, no two people are exactly the same, and differences can be a healthy part of any relationship. But when two people are fundamentally incompatible, it can lead to frustration, resentment, and disappointment. To determine compatibility in a relationship, it's important to be honest and open with each other. This means being willing to have difficult conversations and explore whether your goals and values align. It also means being willing to compromise and make adjustments as needed to ensure that both partners feel supported and valued. Ultimately, compatibility is a critical element for building a healthy and successful relationship. By prioritizing open communication, mutual support, and shared values, you can create a deep and meaningful connection with your partner that will stand the test of time. I hope this video has been helpful and provided you with some valuable insights on relationships. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching.